Today we're talking about Bicol Express. Here's the best Bicol Express in Manila, $1 versus $10. Let's go. Hey, what is up guys? My name is Mike. I am a travel and food blogger and currently I'm traveling through the Philippines to explore amazing beaches, amazing food and to meet amazing people. Right now, today, I'm in Manila and I met up with my new friend JOBETS and he's going to show me the best Bicol Express you can get in the city, and I'm going to be comparing the $1 option with the $10 option. So let's get going. We have an amazing Bicol Express dish here waiting for us. Before we get started, JOBETS, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Oh, hi, I'm JOBETS. I am a filmmaker and I'm a scuba instructor. Also, I'm about to start my channel, encouraged by my friend here. So yeah, hopefully you can follow me as well in the future.
So yesterday while I was filming the Sisig video in Manila, JOBETS approached me and he said, oh dude, I'm a filmmaker as well, maybe we should collaborate and just talk tech stuff. Yep. Sure enough, we had some beers yesterday, we talked, and JOBETS is helping me out. He's loaning me his drone because you guys know I crashed my drone in Bali. He was so kind to lend me his drone, so all the drone shots that are coming next week, thanks to this guy. So anyway, tell me a little bit about this $1 option in Manila. Where are we?
This place is called Friends and Neighbors. This is one of the oldest carinderia, like the cheap version of restaurant in the Philippines. And the owner of the reason why I chose this place specifically is because the owner of this place is from Bicol. That's where we get the word Bicol Express. Authentic taste.
Cool. So is it express because it's a dish that's easy and fast to prepare, or is it easy and fast to eat?
I have no idea. All I know is that when it comes from Bicol, it's very spicy. It's supposed to be spicy.
Without further ado, let's dig into it. What do we have over here? We have another dish over here.
Oh, this is my personal favorite. It's called laing. So you cook it with taro leaves, coconut milk, and then of course they do their magic. It's so good.
Alright, I can't wait to dig in. Let's do this.
Alright, let's try it.
So like everything in the Philippines, we are eating with a fork and a spoon, not a fork and a knife. We've got a ton of rice here and I'm just going to scoop up some of this Bicol Express here onto my rice. Chilies in there.
That's good.
It smells really good. Okay, I'm going all in with a nice piece of chili right in there.
You're not used to spicy.
I usually do eat spicy a lot, but I'm not sure if it's going to be spicy like this. So this is going to be...
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Bicol Express. Oh yeah, that is really good. Guys, right now I'm really happy because this tastes a lot like Bicol Express I cooked back in Miami. Check out the video, it's going to pop up right here. It tastes a lot like it, just this Bicol Express really is a lot spicier than the one that I made. It's so good. I will say it's spicy, but not in the sense that it's too spicy.
Just enough to blow your...
Yeah. It's really refreshing when it's like hot outside. To eat something spicy, it really helps. And this dish, it's nice and savory. It's really good. So, I'm gonna try this over here. Yep. This you also eat it with rice. Oh yeah. That's good. So I really like the combination of red chilies and green chilies because just one type of chili wouldn't be enough. You know what? Something I always appreciate about the Philippines is how fluffy the rice is. I never managed to make my rice like this.
You should like learn how to do it, but you measure it with your finger. So you put the rice, and then put the water, and then measure from the rice, water up to here.
Oh. So this is really good. I'm really enjoying this. The guys here really know what they're doing. Alright, JOBETS, high five, this was a good pick.
Great.
So the $10 spot that we want to try the Bicol Express is around 10 minutes away from here by foot.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
So instead of battling with a Grab or trying to get a Grab car, we're just going to walk over there. Oh, this is a cute little neighborhood here. I like this. Got this church. Really cool. Scenic route. And we have a little short break because it's been raining all the time and it's been raining heavy. But right now it's not raining, so we can spend a little bit of time outside and I can actually film outside without the camera getting wet. Jobert,
Hi.
you're a dive instructor.
Yes.
Well, primarily you're a filmmaker.
Filmmaker.
But
and then
you
I'm
do
also,
dive.
I dive, and I think before I used to do diving as my like means of income, but now I really enjoy filmmaking and sharing stories of people and places. And I think being a dive instructor is like a niche for me because I could film underwater and I could dive also, and I could go to places where a lot of people, especially from my country, haven't explored yet because diving is not very common to us. So yeah, I want it to be my edge in a sense.
So this is crazy. Just within like minutes, we've went from the small little, you know, local neighborhood spots to this new, modern, expensive luxury area, and it's just like 5 steps, literally like one street to the next. There's no, it's just such a harsh contrast. You just look at you know, this is big money here. Where we're walking, this is big money. So for our $10 Bicol Express, we've come to XO Heritage Bistro in the Century City Mall. It's a really nice place, fancy. You get like little savory snacks to start off the meal. Nice music. We're getting the Bicol Express and we're gonna have some garlic fried rice with it. So don't hate on me in the comments if you're not supposed to eat garlic fried rice.
Yeah, I was supposed to comment that. You should eat it with plain rice, but anyway.
Okay, so at this restaurant they have 2 types of Bicol Express. The one is the normal Bicol Express and the other one is the Bicol Express Naga, which is a little bit of an alteration, which has some grilled pineapple inside, it has some fried onion inside, and it's a little bit more spicy. To have a good comparison, we took the regular Bicol Express just so we can, you know, compare it side by side and have a proper taste comparison. We just received a little complimentary snack before our meal comes in. He explained it to you. What is it?
Oh yeah, he said this is handmade, and then he said that there's like an information, like trivia here. I don't know yet.
Oh, interesting.
And I forget what this is.
Okay. But this is sweet or savory?
This is a little sweet, so
Okay.
like it's called puto.
I'm gonna go in and try these. I'll try the white one. Did they all taste the same or different?
Yep. Well, maybe very slight.
So you dip it into the oil or the sauce, or how do you?
I recommend you try it first as is.
As is?
And then
Okay.
you try it with.
So it smells like it's kind of a rice cake.
Yes, it's a rice cake.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Slightly sweet. It's really nice to eat. It's like a comforting little snack. Excellent.
Bicol Express.
Nice.
Plain rice.
Ooh, I can see already this is going to be nice and spicy. Got the chilies in there again. I'm excited. I shouldn't actually be so excited because it's the second time I'm eating Bicol Express today for lunch, but I am excited because it smells and looks really delicious.
So XO46 Heritage Bistro is named because XO, it means extraordinary. Extraordinary in terms of we are the only Filipino restaurant that the servers or the managers can speak deep Tagalog. You can ask anything about our servers that we can translate it in Tagalog. 46, it was the year 1946 which we Filipinos have received our freedom.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can't wait to dig into this Bicol Express. Just look at this beautiful dish and again, nice and fluffy rice. Alright, I'm gonna dig into this right away. Gonna get myself a little bit of rice. How does simple rice smell so good? Oh, it smells phenomenal. I said it already in the last video where we were cooking Bicol Express in Miami. It reminds me a little bit of a stroganoff dish. It has the same feel to it, the same nuances, same flavorings, just with the spiciness on it. I'm gonna get myself a green chili, a red chili, get it all on there, hefty bit of meat, and the rice. Again, nice and rich, love the flavors, really well balanced. I'd say this one, the sauce is a little bit thicker than the one we had before. The flavor is a little bit more intense, but from the spiciness and the general composition of the dish, it's on spot. Both Bicol Express dishes today were really good. The setting is just completely different. Here we're in a nice mall, there's a nice atmosphere with music. The dish was great in both restaurants. Here it's a little bit more comfortable, and that's also what you're paying more for, the comfort of having it in a restaurant like this and just the convenience of having it here in this mall. I think it comes down to personal preference, where you would feel more at home trying this dish. Most important thing I can say is go out and try Bicol Express. When you're in the Philippines, definitely give it a try, or if there's a Filipino restaurant around you, just go there and try the Filipino food, try the Bicol Express. Great comfort food. What do you say?
Good. It's my third meal for today.
Alright, what did we just receive?
Hi, we got I think they give it afterwards, like a chocolate.
And what is it?
Basically, it's cheap chocolate in the Philippines.
Okay.
And this dessert is nostalgic when I was still like a really young boy, elementary school. Like looking at it right now, it's just nostalgic. You know, it's like, oh man, I remember all those days when I was a kid, and I would save like 1 peso every after school, and then get this in the local stores or sari-sari stores, and then just enjoy it on the way home. It used to be bigger, you know, and now it's just like.
Ooh, it smells like peanut.
Yes.
Peanut butter kind of. Oh, it's so soft. It's a little bit crunchy. Very sweet.
Yes,
very peanutty.
sweet. Yes.
But good. I like it. Okay, Jobert. Final thoughts on our Bicol Express experience.
Definitely very different experience. I like the creamy side of this XO. I think it's also good that it has like small shrimps.
Yeah.
But personally, my just personal intake, I think I am in love with the homey vibe of that $1
The $1 place.
Bicol Express.
Yeah.
It's very homey for me.
Yeah, very honestly, in my opinion, I could not tell you which one I found better. I liked the $1 one more because it was more spicy. I liked the $10 one more because it was just a little bit of a more fun experience, and the Bicol Express was a little bit more rich, it was a little bit more creamy, but I really loved both of them in their own way. Really good. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, guys, and if you know a Bicol Express place in Manila that is better than the 2 locations we visited today, let us know in the comments down below. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and say hi in the comment section, and head on over to JOBETS' channel right now. It's linked below in the description. It popped up somewhere here in the corner. Check out his absolute epic Malapascua video where he was swimming with thresher sharks.
Yep.
I want to do it. I'm gonna do it. Now that I've seen his video, I want to do it straight away, and we're gonna be flying to Cebu after Siargao. So really excited for that. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye and see you.